How may I be of economic assistance?
Well, Emily's been practicing for ages for a pie competition, but then they changed the rules to favor disadvantaged kids instead of actually good bakers, and now the winning pie tastes like yes!
Well, sa Pinoy Extreme pag-uusapan natin yung pababa na standards ng lipunan natin because mas pinapaboran natin yung emosyon natin rather than the logical standards na dapat siniset natin para matulungan yung mga tao na iangat yung kanya-kanya nilang skills. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Well, it sounds like everyone involved in this pie contest is suffering from equity going wrong.
Equity? That sounds like a good thing, like equality.
They are similar, but with important differences. Equality means making sure everyone has an equal opportunity.
Oh, like an equal opportunity to enter the competition?
Precisely. But to be equal, the contest would also need to judge everyone by the same standards.
Okay, but how is it equal if someone like our friend Charlotte hasn't had the chance to learn how to bake?
That's where equity tries to help. Equity means trying to give everyone the same chance at an equal outcome by making up for unfair life circumstances.
The idea is to give people the help they need to do their best and succeed.
But in their desire to make things fair, some people rig the rules. And they lower standards, all in order to force an equal outcome. And in the end, everyone, including your underprivileged friend, loses.
But Charlotte won the competition.
Sure, she may have won the competition, but what was the point of the contest?
To see who could bake the best pie. The winner gets to compete at the state fair.
Oh, and so the audience could try the best pie too.
So think about it. Because the bar was lowered to let her win, Charlotte didn't become a better baker. The more skilled bakers weren't rewarded for their skills, and the audience has to eat a worse pie.
Oh, yeah, I guess everyone did lose.
If forcing equity is how we choose, we all lose.
So it was forcing equity that made things unfair?
Exactly. Think about what equality and equity actually mean. Fairness, justice. So is it really equity if the rules are unfair?
So, sa Pilipinas, maraming nagde-demand ng equality daw. Pero ang totoong gusto nilang mangyari maging pabor sa kanila yung pamantayan. Like for example, sa pagkuha ng scholarship. Dapat daw, sabi nila, yung mahirap, automatic, may scholarship na. Pero ang totoong hinohon sa isang scholarship is yung galing ng individual, hindi yung status nila sa lipunan. Kaya mahirap ka, mayaman ka, kung magaling ka, deserve mo dapat yung scholarship. Well, sasabihin nila, paano naman yung mga walang pampaaral, so on and so forth? Well, no worries. Meron naman tayong ibang programa ng gobyerno tulad ng TESDA, diba? Tulad ng alternative learning system, so on and so forth, that would be able to raise their skills on a different path. Diba? Hindi lang naman yung path ng pagkuha ng scholarship or pagka-college yung meron tayo. And marami ding programa yung gobyerno tulad nga nung TESDA na kung saan pwede mong magamit kung gusto mo talaga i-pursue yung pag-aaral mo na 4-year degree course, pwede mo siyang gamitin pansamantala para makapag-ipon ka and makuha mo yung 4-year degree course na yun. Hindi natin kailangang ipilit na ibaba yung standards, ibahin yung standards para lang i-accommodate yung mga mahihirap nating kababayan na hindi naman pasok doon sa standards ng gusto nilang makuha tulad ng scholarship. Yes, marami tayong underprivileged na kababayan pero hindi yun sapat na rason para gawing pabor yung pamantayan natin at ipanalo sila. Because that's not fairness. That's not justice. Awa ang tawag doon. And walang magandang napoproduce pag pinauna natin yung awa kaysa yung pag-develop sa kanila doon sa tamang skill na dapat nilang matutunan by joining that competition. Competition is not inherently bad. It tests your current skill sa iba pang tao at malalaman ng taong sumali doon sa competition kung ano na yung kalagayan ng skill nila. And isn't that something good to check reality for yourself. And then if you fail, you can always improve yourself. Failure is not the end. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.